Okay, so for the roasted Brussels sprouts, what I have here are washed Brussels sprouts that I have halved. So they look like this, and these end up crisping, so even if they fall off, they're really tasty when they're roasted. And then I also have some bacon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, so this is about a pound of Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to take 3 strips of bacon, and I am going to cut this into little strips. And what's going to happen is the fat in the bacon fries the Brussels sprouts. And I'm going to use that as the grease. Okay, so here's my Brussels sprouts, here's my bacon, and I'm going to take a roasting pan or a baking tray, line this with foil so that cleanup is easier.
Don't use a silicone mat because it doesn't conduct enough heat, so the bacon and the Brussels sprouts won't crisp.
To throw on my Brussels sprouts. Okay. I'm going to try to distribute them so that it's a single layer. And then I'm going to sprinkle my bacon strips on the top. Going to add either some salt or what I use is the mushroom seasoning, and some pepper, and a teaspoon of herb de provence. The bacon fat is going to melt and then start crisping both the Brussels sprouts as well as the bacon itself. And this is going to go into the oven, 375-degree oven, until it browns, about half an hour, but just keep an eye on it. All right, for the roasted Brussels sprouts, this is what it looks like.
After 30 minutes, and I'm going to flip them over and bake them for another 30 minutes or until crisp to your liking.
And here are the roasted bacon Brussels sprouts.
Enjoy! More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!